Hi, my name is Sadie Speed, and my business concept focus on solving a major issue many parents face: lack of affordable and flexible childcare. Throughout my research, I have found many parents, especially single parents and low income families, struggle to find the daycare that fits their work schedules. Most daycare centers operate during standard business hours, which doesn't work for people who work nights, weekends, or irregular shifts. Because of this, parents are often forced to miss work, lose income, or rely on unreliable childcare options. This creates both financial stress and instability for families. So, the core problem is simple: childcare today is too expensive and too inflexible for the people who need it the most.